This is LeetCode problem 3, longest substring without repeating characters. Given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without duplicate characters. Dynamic sliding window technique will be a very good solution for this problem. We can categorize any window in two ways. A is it consists of no duplicate characters. B, it contains at least one duplicate characters. If A is true, we should expand window by advancing the right pointer to find a longer window without duplicates. If B is true, we should shrink window by advancing left pointer until it no longer contains a duplicate. To implement dynamic sliding window technique, we should set up following components, left and right pointers. We initialize both of them at the start of the string to define window's boundaries. We also need a hash set to record unique characters within window, updating it as window expands or shrinks. When right pointer reaches the end of the string, we end our search. This is the coding part. We initialize max length is 0. We also initialize an empty hash set. Both left and right pointers are at the start of the string. Before right pointer reaches the end of the string, if we encounter a duplicate character in the window, which is while s right in hash set, then we need to shrink window until it has no duplicate. Hash set.remove s left plus equal to 1. Once there is no duplicate in the window, we should update max length if current window is larger by using max length equal to max length right minus left plus 1. We also need to add right pointer string into the hash set. From there, we expand window right plus equal to 1. Eventually, we return the max length. Time complexity is O of n, space complexity is O of m, because we use a hash set to store unique characters, where m represents total number of unique characters within the string. The last approach solves the problem, but we can still optimize it. In previous approach, we respond to encountering a duplicate by continuously advancing left pointer to shrink window until window no longer contains a duplicate. But if we know the index of previous occurrence of that duplicate, then we can move our left pointer past that index. In the code, max length is 0. We initialize a previous index's hash map. Left pointer, right pointer are at the start of the string. Before right pointer reach the end of the string, if a previous index of the current character is present in the current window, then it is a duplicate character in the window. We should shrink window to exclude previous occurrence of that character. Left pointer is previous indexes as right plus 1. From there, we update max length if the current window is larger. Then we expand the window. Eventually, we return the max length. Time complexity is O of n. Space complexity is O of m, because we use a hash map to store unique characters, where m represents total number of unique characters within the string.